Morning everyone. 2 weeks on from the full knee operation and I'm on my way home to where I live, as I've been staying with my partner and she's looked after me very well in the past 2 weeks. So this is a new stepping stone today when the clips come out. So just thought I'd run you by the last couple of weeks. It's been tough. The operation was 2 weeks ago. The operation, I'd have to say, went well, but I think it was delayed and a bit prolonged more than most people's operations, as the doctor told me that my knee was the worst knee he's seen in years. So I'm going to try and get him to see if I can download the the x-rays, so I can show you the before and after, so you can see how he said there was no cartilage, it was just bone on bone and the leg was twisted. So my point there is that at the moment I'm suffering tourniquet damage at the top of the leg, which out of the physio from the hospital, out of the 7 people in the room, I was the only one that couldn't lift my ankle off the floor onto the skateboard to do the general exercises. So I didn't know that was the damage at the time, because when I came home I had severe pain, just didn't know where it was coming from. But as the week's gone on and the pain's being relieved, I've sort of pinpointed it to what's actually happened, and I'm addressing that at the moment. So just wanted to let you all know that I'll keep you updated when I get back and start my physio at home, which I've got lots of ideas. It's always nice to be in the surroundings of your own home when you are like this, but I could not have done that 2 weeks ago. So big shout out to my partner for looking after me, and I hope you follow me on this journey, and thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support and the support you give me that other people read. You're passing that support on to others, so it's a good group. Thanks for watching.